Why set savings goals in your budgeting app?
Setting savings goals helps transform vague ambitions into clear, actionable targets. By using budgeting apps, you can easily track your progress and stay motivated. Linking your goals to specific purposes, like building an emergency fund or saving for a trip, makes it easier to prioritize and achieve them. Most apps provide helpful visuals and reminders, making the savings journey smoother and more rewarding.
Choosing the right savings goal.
Start by deciding what you want to save for and how much you'll need. Be realistic and specific. Popular goals include creating an emergency fund, buying a car, or planning a vacation. Estimate the total amount required and consider your timeline. The clearer your goal, the more effective your saving strategy will be, and most apps allow you to set multiple goals for extra flexibility.
Setting up your goal in the app.
Open your budgeting app and locate the Savings or Goals section. Enter your goal name, target amount, and deadline. Many apps let you assign a purpose and track progress automatically. If your app allows, link a specific account to your goal for easier monitoring. Double-check your entries and adjust details to suit your needs, ensuring your goal is clearly defined.
Making your goal achievable.
Break down your total goal into manageable monthly or weekly contributions. Your app can usually calculate this for you based on your deadline. Try to automate transfers where possible. Many apps or linked banks offer this feature. Automating savings reduces the temptation to spend and helps keep your progress steady. Adjust contribution amounts if your budget changes and review your plan regularly.
Tracking progress and staying motivated.
Use your budgeting app's analytics and notifications to stay on track. Most apps display your progress with charts or progress bars, so you can visualize how close you are to reaching your goal. Set up reminders or milestone celebrations for extra motivation. If you fall behind, review your budget and adjust goals or timelines as needed to remain realistic and successful.